A source of nature, pure and pristine. Refreshing and comforting. Now brought to you by Waterco. Waterco is a public listed Australian company, established for over 20 years, a pioneer of whole-of-house fiberglass filters, a global manufacturer who has earned a strong international presence in the water industry. Waterco provides quality filtered water to countless people, to houses, businesses and industries. Today, Waterco exports its extensive product range to over 40 countries via its branches in Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, China, United States of America, Canada and the United Kingdom, benefiting innumerable people worldwide. Its comprehensive product line includes pool and spa equipment, domestic, commercial and industrial water treatment systems. The Micron W300 Mark II is another testimony of Waterco's mark of distinction. It combines an innovative design with superior construction techniques and high-grade materials. Water travels through hundreds of kilometers of underground piping before it reaches your home. Mud, dirt, bacteria and other sediments are some of the contaminants picked up along its journey on the way to you. The Micron W300 Mark II that is installed at the incoming supply will set a new standard of water quality for your home. It is designed to filter out dirt and sediment off the incoming supply, providing clear water throughout the whole house. The Micron W300 Mark II is highly effective in filtration. Dirt is trapped by the filter media and clear water flows through the bed of media to ensure that you enjoy the luxury of clean, quality water for your whole house. The Micron W300 Mark II offers the innovation of a 3-stage filtration process. The first stage is sieving. Particles larger than the spaces between the grains of the filter media are trapped at the surface of the filter bed as the water flows through the filter bed. Next is depth filtration. Most of the filtration occurs within the filter bed. The gaps between the filter media form tortuous paths, trapping small particles. The final stage is adsorption. It is the filter's ability to filter fine particles due to the adsorption of the filter media. That's when particles adhere to the surface of the filter media. The Micron W300 Mark II is capable of filtering out particles as small as 10 microns. Now you can be assured of clear water throughout your whole house. With the Micron W300 Mark II, you can get cleaner laundry, refreshing baths and showers, clear water in the kitchen for cooking, and reduce staining of sanitary ware in the bathroom, and extended service life of drinking water purifiers. The Micron W300 Mark II offers effective filtration with easy and minimal maintenance. With its backwash feature, it saves you the hassle of filter cartridge cleaning and costly replacements. It only takes a flip of the handle with a few easy steps to clean the filter. The water flow is reversed, flushing out the trapped dirt within the filter to the drain. The color of the backwash water indicates the level of dirt trapped by the filter. The backwash water appears clear once the filter bed is clean. Additionally, the Micron W300 MKII is designed to blend well with the surroundings and compound of any home. Waterco manufactures not only domestic water filters, but also a wide product range covering industrial and commercial water treatment requirements for hotels, condominiums, and Olympic-sized pools. Waterco, the trusted name in excellent quality filters, the preferred choice of numerous established bodies in fulfilling their major needs for clear, quality water in a wide field of industries. Waterco, all that stands for unrivaled quality, durability, and value. Waterco, the one name that truly understands that water is the liquid of life.